Hello and happy Friday. It's Angus here at the Bureau. We're looking at the weekend weather moving into the school holidays as well for large parts of the country. So it will be a nice relief that we've got clear weather for the most part. Let's check it out. Starting off with Friday afternoon's pressure pattern with a big high down here in the southeast, which is really blowing up and swamping most of eastern Australia, leading to a nice night this evening in both Melbourne and Sydney. So some good conditions for those big sports games. If a little bit chilly, maybe bring the extra layer there. Elsewhere, we have this trough just draped across Western Australia. No major weather with that one, no major rain, but a little bit of cloud coverage, and it is also marking an area of really warm weather, and we will touch on temperatures in a little bit. Let's see how the pattern changes as we push through the weekend. No big changes are happening. It's not a rapidly moving system, but the high gradually shifts eastwards, and that is going to mean actually decent weather for Brisbane. Big double header there on Saturday evening. Conditions looking fairly nice, a little bit windy, mind you. Then in the west, we have a weak trough and frontal system passing through, rapidly followed up by another high pressure. So by the end of the weekend, we've kind of stuck between the two highs, one in the southeast, one in the southwest, with this little trough through the middle. A little bit of wet weather associated with that, primarily out over open waters, but we might see the odd shower or two. So which parts of Australia might get some rain this weekend? Not many. It's pretty sparse, but we will see the odd shower building along the coast of Queensland, particularly up around the North Tropics there. And we also see this weak frontal band across the southern part of WA, just bringing very light isolated showers through some coastal areas, mostly on Sunday, and then perhaps just to round out the weekend, we'll see a shower or two connect with parts of South Australia. But really, it's all about the clear weather, it's all about the sunshine, and of course, it's all about the temperatures. So let's see what we're tracking for in terms of temperature. This is Saturday, the warmest temperatures on Saturday. Look at this big bubble of orange and red. That's 35 degrees plus, covering most of Western Australia, significantly above average there, some spots up to 10 degrees warmer than normal. And check this out, Telfer, Kununurra, 40 degrees. Haven't seen many of those this side of winter, but they're going to start making their way onto the maps now as the temperature's really warm on the run up to summer, where we'll start to see more 40s around Australia. Elsewhere, it's a little bit fresh down in the southeast with temperatures in the upper teens. Could be a cool frosty morning on Saturday as well. The temperature really starts to warm through central areas on Sunday, up into the mid-30s for much of South Australia and NT, and even into parts of Queensland and New South Wales. The warmer air will really start to spread out across the country. Everyone else, though, is in the 20s, including mid-20s for much of the southeast. So that's it. It's short and sweet for today. It's a settled weather pattern for the next couple of days. If you do want a little bit more information, you want to find the fine print for your region, you know where to go. Head to the Bureau website. You can get our weather app, and don't forget to check us out on social media as well.